Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upload full video on Instagram. So in here, I've already opened this Instagram apps and I want to upload a video. And if you want to do the same, you can just follow the steps. First, you can click on the plus icon at the bottom and choose the video that you want to edit. Okay, for example, I'm going to add this videos right here. You can click on next at the top right corner. Then here you'll see this page right here. If you want to, you can click on the sticker icon. You can add location, captions, or add your stickers. And if you want to upload all of the full video, you can just click on next again, and also click on share. So the video will not be cropped the durations because CapCut now Instagram now has the features that you can upload a video more than 115 or 30 seconds. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.